Progress. It's almost over. That's my pirate. Pirates of the Caribbean, bitches. It goes down and up. Hopefully this shit fucking lasts long, this stupid phone. Come on, get up again, buddy. Do it again. All my masks. It'll be up again. Love this guy, man. It's one of my favorite inflatables, man. Bunch of balloon shit. Tabby. Oh, you bitch. Tabby. Hey, buddy. Fishes. Where are ya? Oh, scaredy cats, man. Win. Progress. It's been a mess here, though, but Halloween. Friday 13th, Star Trek. Should have put that on, but that's okay. My mask collection. Okay, let me go over here. Try to do 20 minutes of this bullshit. My Halloween bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. Halloween. Trying to get all this progress because it's almost over, man. Halloween pillows. All my collectibles. Thanks, Angie, for the pillow. Favorite sister from Germany. Oh! Oh, shit. Gotta do fucking bullshit, man. I'll do it this way. I'll do it this way. It's gonna fucking